Today I'm taking a look at this power adapter from F1TP ACK-E12. They sent this to me to check out, so keep that in mind. Power adapters for cameras are pretty simple. You basically have a power adapter itself that goes to the wall and a DC coupler. This replaces the battery in the camera. In this case, this is the DR-E12, very similar in size to a standard Canon LP-E12 battery, maybe slightly thinner. Here is the power adapter. It is rated 7.4 volts at 2 amps maximum. And then here you simply will connect this to the DC coupler that'll go inside the camera. Did include the hook and loop straps to keep the cables nice and situated. Here you have the Canon EOS M50, uses the LP-E12 battery. You get the battery door, open that up, put your DC coupler inside. Locks into place, it fits well. Close the battery door, there's a little gasket, you move out of the way. Then you've got an opening to the DC coupler. You take your AC adapter and slide it in there. It focuses. In the past I've had issues with the touchscreen actually in some AC adapters that were lower quality. This one seems to be fine. I did use this for at least an hour, a little bit over that actually, doing streaming with an M50 plus this specific AC adapter. Didn't have any issues. Going to do a quick check of voltages between this adapter and the official Canon adapter, CAPS700. With the F1TP adapter, it's 8.02 volts. Let's try the official Canon adapter. This one is actually 7.64 volts, so a little bit less than the F1TP. So official Canon battery, 8.3 volts. I think this is within the range of reasonable for voltages. That was a look at the F1TP ACK-E12 power adapter for any of the Canon cameras that use the LP-E12 battery size. Comes with the coupler, AC adapter, and these little hook and loop ties. Again, keep in mind that they did send me this power adapter to try out and make a video on. Scott Photography Bonsai. Thanks.